Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.8% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound dropped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Japan's Toshiba Corporation has selected 4 bidders, including private equity firms Bain Capital, CVC Capital Partners and Brookfield Asset Management, to proceed to a second bidding round, people briefed on the matter said. The UK's top share index hit a 3-week high, lifted by oil and mining stocks, even as a surge in inflation to fresh 40-year highs cemented bets for a bigger-than-usual rate hike by the Bank of England next month. A new partnership between Ibex Mercado, an integral Bitcoin infrastructure provider to the El Salvadoran Bitcoin rollout, and startup Guatemalan Bitcoin service provider Osmo Wallet, is enabling users to buy, sell, and transact in Bitcoin in one of the most underbanked regions in the world.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision at 12:15 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing will be released at 0600 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision at 12:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.